In this video, I will show you how to type the @ symbol on your laptop or computer. First things first, locate the Shift key on your keyboard. This key is usually found on both sides of your keyboard and is essential for typing uppercase letters and special characters. Now that you've found it, press and hold down the Shift key. Make sure to keep it pressed while performing the next step. While holding down the Shift key, look for the number 2 key, which should also have that symbol printed above it. Now press that number. And there you have it. By holding down Shift and pressing 2 at the same time, you can successfully type the @ symbol. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.